Hey guys, Dice15 here, back with another video this time, and we are back with another unboxing, and this is the All Elite Crate, my first All Elite Crate unboxing. And so yeah, this is the July crate, because they actually ship the crates actually ship out every 3 months, and they go with they renew every like July March. I don't know. I'm trying to remember. I think I just need to pull up. Oh, Elite Crate, just for a little bit. Okay, we're back. Like I said, they go. It's called basically again. That's why I was. You get the point. I just had to go a little bit, but like I said, and yeah, I'm just. I don't know. It says it's like shifts out every 3 months. Every 3 months. The delivery is basically just every 3 months, so. Like I said, so the next one's going out on the 15th. It says the next one's starting out on the 17th, but that basically. Leave it again. And actually, let's check something real quick. I'm a little confused. Yeah, I'm checking this on here. I'm looking at my computer real quick, and yeah, I'm just realizing that this thing's still on. So sorry if I forgot. So yeah, I'm just logging in real quick. So sorry if I'm kind of going through a little bit. Yeah, it says renews on the 15th, so there's that thing. It said if I didn't have such. Basically, I don't know. I think it's supposed to ship out in January or something. Okay, 15th of July. So the renewals of July occurs of 15th of July, April, July, and October. So, yeah, this is July crate. So, like I said, and let's just try to get this opened real quick. And I'm gonna talk a little bit. So, updates. What's coming out today is gonna be the Ultimate Edition Brock Lesnar and the Spider-Gwen figure. Also, the movie Venom figure has to wait a little bit. I haven't gotten there yet. I still need to review the Venom Wave Carnage and Venom, which I Venom. So, but the reason why I'm talking about the movie Venom because I'm missing the other head sculpt. So I'm gonna try to look for it. But if it falls down to it, I might ask my dad to buy another one for me. But I don't know. I don't want to keep asking my dad for stuff. So and sorry, I guess it's on the camera. But yeah, there's that. That is coming up. So the All State's coming tonight. I wanted to review Spider-Man first before the the Iron Spider actually, because I'm probably gonna want to review that first. First, and like I said, and, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Lion Collection, I might review the Dragon Dagger at some point, but again, I think those are the only two ones I have planned tonight because NXT's on tonight. But yeah, let's just get on with the shirts. And the first thing we have is a Samoa Joe shirt. I just kind of guessed it because I kind of saw a little bit, but I didn't read all of it. But we have Samoa Joe shirts, and Larry is what is. And I'm kind of glad I don't have a Samoa Joe shirt. I never got any of his ones from WWE, and I still haven't got one from AEW, so I'm glad I got this one. So yeah, finally adding the Samoa Joe to my big thing of t-shirts. And I just picked this up now, so we do also have a Jericho Appreciation Society. Yeah, I'm kind of looking at this a little bit. I'm not really looking. Yeah, it is a patch. I didn't know what it was, but we do have a Jericho Appreciation Society patch. Add this to my patch collection, which I still need to get something to put this on. We got another Young Bucks shirt. This is basically called the Recess shirt. It literally is kind of, the design literally looks like something that you could just kind of draw on a notepad. And even this one I really like because I draw. I do draw a lot, so yeah, like I said, this looks a little cool. And another Young Bucks shirt. I think this is my fourth Young Bucks shirt. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the um the shirts. Well, and now I just picked this up. I just picked this up, and we got a hook back clip, a chip back clip. So yeah, this is really cool because I could probably use this, and it's kind of ironic because it kind of likes chips. What the hell is that? I don't know what it is. But yeah, we do have a hook back clip, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely use this. Try. So yeah, we got that. We gotta put the back clip over here, just anything that's not shirt related. We got a pin, which is an FTR pin, which is also good. We really do like this. And yeah, we just got the stars, the FTR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7-star FTR. And then we have just Shadow of and Dax and Dax and Cash. I completely almost forgot his name. We got a Micro Brawl, a limited edition Micro Brawl. Basically, it's a make your own sign edition. And this we have Sammy Guevara. Again, holding a sign. It's basically, you can just make your own sign there. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Just probably gonna leave it blank for now. We got the zebra kind of. We got the zebra. So it's like cheetah kind of like pink attire. So I'm still hoping they make an unrivaled collection figure of this. And then the same thing goes for his Dragon Ball Z gear they had during Grand Slam. So yeah, pretty cool. Another Michael Brown ad collection with my Ric Flair and my King Hardy race. We got a drawstring bag, and it's a Darby Allin and Trick or Treat drawstring bag. Yeah, Trick or Treat bag actually. But I don't know. It's just but it just has. Yeah, this is more of a drawstring bag than an actual Trick or Treat bag. I had a drawstring bag once. That's when I was just taking stuff down here. This was of course, this place was my grandma's house at the time. But yeah, Trick or Treat, Darby Allin bag. Sorry, I sneezed. But yeah, this looks pretty cool. And we got a micro. Oh, this is for the micro brawler. I guess this is for the make your own sign thing. So yeah, this thing is supposed to be for the micro brawler. Again, I don't know. I don't know what I would actually put on there yet. And now we got a poster. Oh, cool! This is actually this is for the full gear. This is a full gear poster. poster for Heyman and Kenny Omega. And yeah, this is from Full Gear from last year. So this I definitely like, and I need to get framed for this actually. So yeah, that's probably gonna stay in there. And then we got I just like with the Pro Wrestling Crate, we do have an autograph. We have a signed 8x10. Alright. And we got an Abaddon signed 8x10. Again, can't say too big of an Abaddon thing, it's just mostly the zombie thing, but it's kind of, I don't know, I think it kind of makes it work, but again, I just can't say a lot. But we do have a signed 8x10. I do try to be careful with these. So yeah, now I got two things to worry about. I got the Kenny Omega and Heyman poster, and then I got the 8x10 I need to be careful with, so I'm just going to put that back in the box just to be safe, just so it's not... So it's not... so it won't get messed up, because definitely need to get frames for both of those. Okay, I'm actually redoing this part now, so pretty much that's it. So I'm pretty sure this is after I did the unboxing, but this is the Full Gear 2022 crate, so that explains the Full Gear 2021 poster with Omega and Heyman. So we got the Samoa Joe Buster t-shirt, the Rhesus Young Bucks shirt, or the Sammy Guevara Make Your Own Sign Edition Michael Brawler. So again, and that's what the little marker is for. It's for the Michael Brawler itself. Also, again, it has the Michael Brawler's washable marker. The Hook potato chip bag clip, which is kind of a rock because he likes potato chips. Again, the Omega and Heyman Full Gear 2021 poster. Again, I did show you that. I did fold it back up though. The Abaddon autograph 8x10, which is pretty good. It just adds more to my autograph collection. 8x10 collection. The FTR lapel pin. The Darby Allin trick or treat bag, drawstring bag, what you guys want to call it. It's again this thing right. Again, this thing again is a drawstring bag. That's what kind of it is. It just has a trick or treat on it for Halloween. And then the Jericho Each Agent side patch was pretty good, and more patches I could probably sew on in the future because I actually have an idea in my head. And then the last thing I already said the Michael Brawler washable marker, and yeah, that's pretty good. Good, like I said. And yeah, I really do like this one. I like the Michael Brawler. Again, that's one. I have more Michael Brawlers to add to my collection. And the two shirts are pretty good. Like I said, the Young Bucks shirt right here looks pretty good. I really do like the Young Bucks shirt actually. And then the Samoa Joe shirt. And the Samoa Joe shirt is pretty good too. Like I said. And I really do like this one. Yeah, I really do like both of those shirts. I like basically just all the stuff, including the FTR pin, and just add more pins. And really a lot of pins I still need to. I really do need to figure out. I really do need to get that denim vest I was going to think of getting, and just start putting like a bunch of stuff on here. Yeah. Yeah, I just really do got a bunch of stuff I need to try getting. So, like I said, I haven't really figured out what's gonna happen though. So, I'll be working on that. Again, as far as like I said, this is one of the first May unboxings. Like I said, we got the Rowan Vice stamp from Bae. That's still coming in, and it's actually probably gonna be here probably very soon because I did check like the little thing for check up what's what is up with what when it's actually gonna be coming where like it is right now, and the last place it was in Chicago, so it is probably on its way here, and probably gonna be here very soon. So that is gonna be an unboxing I'm gonna be doing. Again, like I said, the case on toy unboxing wasn't gonna be the only thing. It was gonna be the like I said, it was gonna be the that this the Bly unboxing, the Desire Driver unboxing from Amazon Japan, which I bought also on the first, like I said, and then the Tadadori Tony form. Hopefully that will go through this month. I know also the renewal for my All Elite crate is going through this month. Like I said, pretty much that. All that stuff's going through this month. Hopefully that'll go through this month. It was supposed to go through last month, but it got delayed. I don't know why it got delayed, and hopefully it doesn't keep getting delayed. Like I said, and really hoping it doesn't. But yeah, and I spent way too much of the first week, and then also my two things from Pros and Tees and Shop A deal was coming: the acclaimed basketball jersey and the Spider Gargano. So the Spider-Man Johnny Gargano shirt that's also coming in, and two. So yeah, both of those are coming in. Definitely gonna be excited for those. Yeah, just definitely gonna be excited for all the stuff coming in. Gonna be doing unboxing videos for all of those. Again, the only stuff that's possibly not gonna be coming in is gonna be the first appearance Spider-Man and the Japanese Spider-Man. They're both on there. I'm probably gonna get both of them on Amazon. Now the Amazing Fantasy whose first appearance Spider-Man I might get either from Amazon or from from Venice stock, which I didn't see on the first day, which I was a little tempted to buy. But I bought the Dino Charge Gold, which I'm gonna review in that, but I'm gonna be paying enough first. That just fixing some parts to it, but yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm gonna get off here now, and that was starting to act up again. And I'm starting to act up. So, remember the next video, comment down below what you guys think of this All Elite crate here. Again, it's called Full Gear 2022 crate, so what do you guys think of this one? What do you think of the two shirts, the pin, the hook back clip, right here, the patch, like I said, the two shirts like I showed you earlier, and the autographed 8x10 and the K Omega, and Hangman versus Hangman Full Gear 2021 poster. You know, just comment down what you guys think about that down below. Or anything down below you can comment on anything down below. Like I said, just remember to be nice. One, be respectful, and be respectful, like I said. And then also, if you any advice for the channel, anything down below, just talk anything about this channel, stuff like that. Any questions, stuff like that. Anything down below, just need to be respectful, or your comment will be removed. Again, I'm not really trying to censor anything, but again, disrespectfulness it won't be tolerated. But yeah, subscribe, tap bell, more videos coming soon. I've already said all of them, so I'm not gonna say it. And also, click the share button to expand the subscriber count while I get to 500 to 800 subscribers for the end of the year. And the size 15, the golden wire are kicking at